Pynkupbor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Sorkar Jylla ka Pynkupbor hagi Deputy Commissioner jong district Pynkhreh ke Jylla bat Pynkhreh ya roster system habadan kinu post ke balai hagi district klem da phashu syakatra personal jong Sorkar Jylla banyak ya jingunjur. Hagi jengkran bigla Pynkupbor ba polling do ubulong no aktien bat umentri jong Sorkar Jylla. Ulai thu bakani ke jing aibor ke Deputy Commissioner kalong man penduna ya ke jing slam ka ya kapor man thungkam hagi post ke balai hapo ki trakam ke Sorkar ke badan hagi district.
The reservation rosters for district level posts. These posts where the appointing authority are the DCs, we have we have decided to then decentralize the system whereby the DCs can finalize the roster system of at their level, meaning the reservations of posts which are at the district level. I mean, they need not come up to personnel department or the state government. The finalization of which post comes under which category as per the 80% reservation for Khasi, Jaintia and Garos in the respective districts. So this will help to reduce the time gap required for clearance of appointments, and also it will empower the DCs to finalize the vacancies in the respective districts without further reference to the state government.